All right, y'all. So today I'm gonna show y'all how I make the bases of some of my aura sprays. Let me show you what I have here. I have some lemon thyme. I have some lemon balm. I have some pineapple sage, hurricane water. All these things I'll explain to you the reason why they're here. I have some camphor oil, some beach water from Myrtle Beach. I have some love salt that I made, benzoin, some frankincense, and some palo santo. And this is a blend of herbs that I make. It's actually an incense blend that I make when I burn. Normally around Halloween time, at any time I'm dealing with stuff that involves the ancestors or communing with my mom, my dad, any of my relatives who have passed on. So I'm just boiling some water, and I'm going to add the palo santo to it. And that's what's going to go in first. I'm going to just put the palo santo in, and I'm going to let that simmer for a little bit. And not too much. Not too much. There's many ways to cleanse your space, smoke. But as you know, I'm a worker of water. So I'm going to let that simmer for a minute, and then we'll come back to that. But what I'm going to move out the way, time is used when a sense of direction is needed. It can make way to provide clarity to come in on a direction. It doesn't give the direction, but it does make room. It clears, like the other thing says. It fumigates. It cleanses, and it removes debris. Is very useful in the final stages of releasing past life karmas, which we are in at this moment. It is an essential in the restoration period, creating a personal peace and inner strength and healing, which is great for psychic abilities. And here we have my girl Lemon Balm, who is highly regarded for her psychic properties or psychic ability properties. She is useful when healing through multiple lifetimes, and dealing with past lives, bringing understanding to our current lifetimes to fulfill and balance in the now. She clears and gracefully makes way for growth, enhancing psychic and telepathy development. And we have pineapple sage. We all know sage is all about move out the way, clearing a space. I'm with my girls and we all need space. Pineapple sage reps and provides subtle serenity to any atmosphere or field. Although she's not she enhances focus and deepens connections with one's inner self. She's all about that mental, baby, that mental. She clears the way for clear communication, for transformation, and positive energy. Benzoin Siome. Siome because benzoin comes in masculine and feminine form, promotes emotional balance and melts away blockages and opens up the heart. Benzoin Siome is associated with Venus, the goddess of love, and brings in love, balance, and harmony, which is very important during this time as we are shedding old and integrating with the new, or our old ancient past. Well, if you don't know, now you know. Salt is very cleansing. Salt starts off as a crystal. When looking at it under a microscope, it is quite unique and extraordinary with its distinct patterns throughout, even down to the tiniest crystal. Um, the structures of it are found in sacred geometry, which is the manifestation connecting to the spirit world and restoring balance. Well, if you don't know, now, as far as this powerful blend I have going on right here, I have it written down the ingredients in my book, but I use it when I want to connect to higher vibrations, when I want to connect to higher knowledge and higher realms. A lot of the times it is with beings that who actually walk the earth in form before. Higher intelligence, there's not always an absolute that they've been in physical form before. So this one is to commune with the ones who have actually been in physical form before.
Create these products that restore. Now it's time for, once we clear, now we got to bring in the restoration. Now we got to bring in the restoration. This is the stage we are in. What it does, goddesses, this is what you need, goddesses. Because the restoration has to come. This is the stage we are in. So when you're finally receiving your download, it's supposed to be natural. I mean, we're going to be so in love with our natural way of being, because that's just who we freaking are.
Okay, you guys saw me put that hurricane water in, that beach water in. I just want to let you know that certain waters have different frequencies, and when you add higher frequency water to other frequency water, maybe lower, just small drops of it can change the frequency of that water. So there are two categories in water, and it's considered to be structured water and bulk water. Bulk water is the water that we purchase. It is the water that's going through our pipes. Structured water, on the other hand, exists in a state called liquid crystal mesophase, a state between liquidy and crystallinity that exhibits at least some of the organization and repeated structure unique to crystal forms. Now, when using bulk water, you can, like I said, you can transfer bulk water into structured water by doing many things: breathing, meditation, crystals, using higher frequency, coherent energy water. So that's exactly what I did. I just raised the frequency in that mixture. So all of this is very much about high frequency. And yeah.